Have you ever wondered where to find the fuse box in your 2023 Ford Bronco? Need a clear diagram to identify each fuse and its function? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Bronco. Underhood fuse box. The 2023 Ford Bronco underhood fuse box houses essential fuses for critical systems like the engine and lighting. It features a durable, water-resistant cover to protect components. Clearly labeled fuses make it easy to identify and replace as needed. Body control module, fuse box. The 2023 Ford Bronco Body Control Module, BCM, fuse box manages key electrical functions like interior lighting and door locks. It is compactly housed inside the cabin for easy accessibility.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.